Hello everybody, Boy Dulabic here. Welcome to Filmmaking. Today, question, how do we get this on that? Let's find out. So I recently purchased the HP Spectre x360 to do video work and 3D modeling on it. Now it's a great device and in many ways superior to my old computer, which is the Surface Pro 4. Superior in many ways except for one, which is the kickstand. The kickstand on the Surface allowed me to have the device on an angle as I was using the pen, which worked really nicely when I was in ZBrush, Photoshop, and wherever else I was using the pen. Unfortunately, this isn't possible with the Spectre. Well, unless you do some slight modifications. And that's where my next purchase comes in. I also recently purchased a universal kickflip laptop stand for about $15. This little thing is basically a piece of plastic that unfolds in the middle. On the back of it, there's also adhesive tape on the top of it. Originally, this was designed for the MacBook to be placed underneath the device to help with cooling and also to give it a slight angle when typing. Well, if we get a little creative, all we have to do is place it on the back of the Spectre and it becomes a kickstand. Easy peasy. Now, if you want to make this a permanent solution, you can take the little thing, turn it around, peel off the tape on the back of it, and place it on the top portion on the back of the monitor. And just unfold it whenever you need it, and it becomes a permanent kickstand. Now personally, I'm not sure if I'm going to permanently place it on the back of my laptop, as I'm not a big fan of taping anything on my device, so I'll probably just use it whenever it's needed and carry it around in my bag. But it's good to have these options. So that's it guys, I hope this video was informative and I hope that it solved your little conundrum just like it solved mine. I do hope that going forward companies like HP will include some kind of a mini stand in their device built in. It really shouldn't be that difficult from an engineering point of view. If they included just something, like this, something on the top of the device that you can flip out, just so it gives us a bit of an angle, I think it'll be amazing. So, HP and all you other companies who are creating these two-in-ones, if you're listening, please make it happen, because I like your device. I want to continue using your device, but this is definitely something for anyone who uses the pen. I do think a lot of people, I'm not going to say everyone, but I do think a lot of people have this problem. So that's it guys. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. Follow me on social media, type in my name, Boyan Dulabic or Dulabic Studio. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.